staying? Would you be waiting? Dopamine when you send pictures. When you send pictures. Can't be waiting. Can't be waiting. Dopamine when you send pictures. When you send pictures. Would you be waiting?
Standing in the street alone. Her head was down, face locked onto her phone. And I wished I'd had a number so I could be color unknown. And then I tell her to look into my eyes and never let it go. Somebody to show the way. Yeah, I was a heartbeat with no sound till you came around. Yeah, you showed me color.